Short on kitchen space and tired of messy cabinets? You're not alone. In today's video, we're sharing some of the best space-saving kitchen organizers to help you organize smarter, not harder. These practical solutions are ideal for small kitchens, apartments, and condos, making everyday cooking easier and more efficient. Don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen organization ideas and must-have home products. All product links are in the description below, so you can check prices and reviews anytime. Let's dive in and find the right kitchen organizers to upgrade your space.
Number 1. DPZM Pull-Down Shelf 30 through 32. The DPZM pull-down shelf is a smart solution for upper kitchen cabinets between 30 and 32 inches wide. Its heavy-duty steel construction easily supports dishes, pots, and pantry items without bending. The two-tier design maximizes vertical space while keeping everything organized and visible. The smooth pull-down mechanism allows safe and easy access to high cabinets without stretching or climbing. Finished in clean white, it blends well with most modern and classic kitchens. Ideal for busy home cooks, this organizer improves safety, saves space, and turns hard-to-reach cabinets into convenient storage areas. Number 2. Hanky Blind Corner Pullout Organizer. The Hanky Blind Corner Pullout Organizer is designed to transform unused corner cabinets into efficient storage. Built for 32-inch cabinets, it features a smooth, two-tiered slide-out system that brings stored items fully into view. The soft close mechanism prevents slamming and protects cabinet doors. Its sturdy build holds cookware, bowls, and pantry items securely. The right opening swing design works perfectly for specific kitchen layouts. This organizer reduces bending, saves time while cooking, and makes deep corner cabinets far more practical for everyday kitchen use. Number 3. KinChoice Blind Corner Pullout Organizer. The KinChoice Blind Corner Pullout Organizer makes hard-to-reach cabinet corners easy to access. Designed for 36-inch cabinets, it features 2 adjustable height trays to store different kitchen items comfortably. The soft close system ensures smooth and quiet operation. Its swing-right pullout design allows full visibility without deep bending. Built with durable materials, it works well for pots, pans, and cookware. This organizer is a great choice for homeowners looking to maximize corner cabinet space while keeping their kitchen neat, functional, and easy to use. Number 4. Overdoor 2-Tier Cabinet Pullout. The Overdoor 2-Tier Cabinet Pullout is ideal for organizing pots, pans, and lids in standard kitchen cabinets. Its adjustable heavy-duty wire shelves adapt to different cookware sizes with ease. The smooth pull-out design allows quick access to stored items, reducing clutter and saving time. Finished in polished chrome, it adds a modern touch to any kitchen interior. Built for durability, this organizer helps maximize cabinet space while keeping cookware secure, visible, and neatly arranged for daily cooking convenience. Number 5. DPZM Pull-Down Shelf 22 to 24. The DPZM pull-down shelf for 22 to 24-inch cabinets is perfect for improving upper cabinet accessibility. Its strong, heavy-duty construction supports everyday kitchen items without strain. The two-tier layout provides extra storage while keeping items neatly separated. With a smooth pull-down motion, it eliminates the need for step stools or stretching. The white finish brightens cabinet interiors and matches most kitchen styles. This shelf is a practical choice for small or medium kitchens that need better organization and safer access. Number 6. Kuyuwu 2-Tier Pullout Shelf Set. The Kuyuwu 2-Tier Pullout Shelf Set offers an easy way to organize cabinets and pantries. Its smooth sliding system brings stored items forward for quick visibility and access. The 2-tier metal baskets provide ample storage for spices, cans, and kitchen essentials. Built with durable materials, it supports everyday use without bending. Suitable for various cabinet sizes, this organizer helps reduce clutter, saves space, and keeps kitchen items neatly arranged for faster meal preparation.
Number 7. Dindon Pull-Out Spice Rack. The Dindon Pull-Out Spice Rack is a slim yet powerful cabinet organizer designed for tight spaces. Made from solid wood, it offers durability with a natural premium look. 4 movable stainless steel buckets allow flexible storage for spices, utensils, or cutlery. The smooth pull-out design makes everything easy to see and reach. Ideal for small kitchens, this organizer maximizes cabinet space while keeping spices and tools neatly arranged and accessible during cooking. Number 8. 3-Ing Seagulls Baker's Rack with Power Outlet. The 3-Ing Seagulls Baker's Rack is a versatile kitchen storage solution with 6 spacious shelves. It includes a built-in power outlet, perfect for microwaves, coffee makers, or small appliances. 10 S-shaped hooks add extra hanging storage for utensils and mugs. The rustic brown finish adds warmth and style to any kitchen. Strong and functional, this rack helps organize spices, cookware, and appliances while keeping your kitchen clean, efficient, and visually appealing. Number 9. Vikello 4-Tier Slim Storage Cabinet. The Vikello 4-Tier Storage Cabinet is designed for small spaces in kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms. Its slim vertical design saves floor space while offering adjustable shelves for flexible storage. Smooth rolling wheels make repositioning easy, and the anti-tip feature adds safety. Finished in clean white, it blends well with modern interiors. This cabinet is perfect for organizing supplies neatly while keeping your space clutter-free and easy to manage. Number 10. Easttheory Overdoor Pantry Organizer. The Easttheory Overdoor Pantry Organizer features 9 adjustable tiers for efficient kitchen storage. It hangs easily over most doors, saving cabinet and counter space. The sturdy metal construction supports spices, snacks, and pantry items securely. Adjustable baskets allow flexible organization for different item sizes. Ideal for small kitchens and apartments, this organizer keeps essentials visible, accessible, and neatly arranged without drilling or permanent installation. Number 11. Corbel's Undersink Organizer 2-Pack. The Corbel's Undersink Organizer is designed to maximize storage in tight kitchen and bathroom cabinets. Featuring next-generation ball-bearing slides, both drawers pull out smoothly and quietly for easy access. The 2-tier precision mesh design keeps bottles, cleaners, and supplies neatly separated. Height-adjustable shelves allow flexible storage for taller items. Made with rust-resistant metal, it performs well in damp undersink environments. This organizer is ideal for reducing clutter, improving visibility, and making everyday items easy to reach in small spaces. Number 12. KGQ MTNA Kitchen Baker's Rack. The KGQ MTNA Kitchen Baker's Rack offers multifunctional storage for modern homes. It features space for a mini fridge, beverage storage, and a sturdy worktop for microwaves or meal prep. A movable basket adds flexibility for organizing kitchen tools or snacks. Designed for homes, dorms, or offices, it keeps everything in one convenient place. The solid construction provides stability, while the brown finish blends easily with different interiors. This rack is perfect for creating a compact coffee bar or organized kitchen station. Number 13. Puston Microwave Oven Rack. The Puston Microwave Oven Rack is a heavy-duty countertop organizer built to handle up to 160 pounds. Its adjustable 3-tiered design easily fits microwaves, ovens, and kitchen appliances. Extra hooks provide convenient hanging space for utensils or towels. Made from strong metal with a clean black finish, it offers both durability and style. This rack helps save counter space while keeping appliances stable and organized, making it ideal for small kitchens that need efficient storage solutions. Number 14. Arst Kio Oversing Dish Drying Rack. The Arst PO Oversing Dish Drying Rack is designed to save counter space while keeping dishes organized. With 2 tiers and 4 baskets, it holds plates, cups, utensils, and cookware easily. The adjustable width fits sinks from 24.8 to 35.4 inches. Water drains directly into the sink, keeping countertops dry and clean. Built with sturdy materials, this rack is perfect for busy kitchens that need efficient drying space without cluttering the counter. Number 15. Overdoor Undersink Organizer 2-Pack. The Overdoor Undersink Organizer Set offers flexible and space-saving storage for kitchens and bathrooms. Each unit features height-adjustable shelves and smooth slide-out drawers for quick access. The two-tiered design helps separate cleaning supplies, toiletries, and bottles neatly. Finished in black, it blends well with modern cabinets while hiding stains. Easy to install and practical for daily use, this organizer makes under-sink areas cleaner, more organized, and easier to manage. Number 16. Kit-Stack Under-Sink Organizer 2-Pack. The Kit-Stack Under-Sink Organizer provides durable metal storage with smooth sliding drawers. Its two-tiered design increases cabinet capacity without taking extra space. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, pantries, or closets, it keeps items visible and easy to reach. The sturdy metal construction supports daily use, while the pull-out design reduces bending and searching. This organizer is a practical choice for keeping small spaces tidy and improving overall cabinet organization. Number 17. Dola-like Microwave Oven Rack. The Dola-like Microwave Oven Rack adds instant storage above your microwave or countertop. Made from strong carbon steel, it safely holds kitchen utensils, dishes, and cookware. The expandable design fits different microwave sizes with ease. 3 built-in hooks provide extra hanging space for small tools. With a simple structure and clean black finish, this rack helps reduce clutter and makes better use of vertical kitchen space. Number 18. SNS LXH Stackable Storage Basket Set. The SNS LXH Stackable Storage Basket Set includes 5 foldable baskets designed for flexible home organization. Perfect for closets, kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms, they stack neatly to save space. The foldable design allows easy storage when not in use. Made from durable materials, these baskets hold clothes, towels, or household items securely. The white finish blends with any decor, making them a simple and practical solution for everyday storage needs. Number 19. The PX Rack Under-Sink Organizer 2-Pack. The PX Rack Under-Sink Organizer set features thickened metal shelves with smooth pull-out drawers. Adjustable height allows a custom fit around pipes and plumbing. The two-tier design provides extra space for cleaning supplies, toiletries, or laundry items. Finished in clean white, it looks neat inside cabinets. Easy to install and built for durability, this organizer is ideal for maximizing under-sink storage while keeping items organized and accessible. Number 20. The Amen Houseware Undershelf Basket Organizer. The Amen Houseware Undershelf Basket Organizer adds instant storage under cabinets or shelves. Its adjustable slide-in design fits most shelves without tools. Made from heavy-duty metal, it securely holds pantry items, dishes, or office supplies. The open basket design keeps items visible and easy to reach. Finished in white, it blends seamlessly with most interiors. This organizer is a simple way to expand storage space without permanent installation. Thanks for watching today's top picks from Gadget Nest. If you love discovering smart kitchen gadgets that make life easier, hit that subscribe button and stay updated with our latest finds. All product links and the newest prices are in the description below, so don't miss out on these amazing deals. Have a question or a gadget you want us to review? Drop a comment. We love hearing from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep cooking with confidence.